I have fig ginger preserves, melted it down. I have some large shrimp. Pull it down. Always look at both sides, see if there's some garbage on there, discoloration. Wash my hands, wait for it. Time for the fire. Ugh. Wait for it. When you make shrimp, it releases a lot of liquid. I have some whole psyllium husks powder. Probably 4 tablespoons. And actually, coconut milk powder, 3 tablespoons. That is the flavor. Wait for it. Time to walk it up. A lot of fluid. It's about to start getting gooey. Look how fast. Better than cornstarch. Better than flour. Alright, wait for it. A minute later, look how thick that has gotten. Amazing, right? And that is why you come to my channel. I give you things you've never seen before. Amazing. Should have sifted. Thank you, Martha Stewart.